Hello my dears, good afternoon. How are you today? I hope you are fine at your home. Okay, so how are you all of you? How are you? I hope you are fine at your home. Okay my dear, let us start our class. Which class is this? This is your English class. Which class is this? This is your English class. Okay. So, do you remember my dears what we have learned in previous lecture? Do you remember? We have learned formation of letter and what we have learned? We have learned formation of letter and. Okay, letter and we have learned formation of letter and. Okay, so today we will learn formation of letter. Do you remember? Today we will learn formation of letter O. Today we will learn formation of letter O. So let us start our class. Let us start our class. So, are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. So, look here all of you my dears. What you have to do in your notebook? What you have to do in your notebook? Do you know? You have to make a circle. What you have to do? You have to make a circle and you have to put here orange color. Which color? Orange color. O for orange. O for oval shape. O for octopus. Okay. So what you have to do? You have to put orange color here. Today we will learn formation of letter O. What we will learn? Today we will learn formation of letter O. How we make O? A circle. How we make O? A circle. How we make O? Circle. Like this you have to make letter O. Okay, so ready? So ready to make an activity. What you have to do? You have to make a circle and here you have to put orange color. Which color? Orange color. Okay. Because O for orange. So you have to put a orange color. So let us start writing letter O. O for orange. O for oval shape. O for octopus. O for out. O for out. Okay. So today we will learn formation of letter O. Okay. Have you seen bangle of your mother? It is in circle shape. Yes, it is in O shape. Have you seen tire of a car? It is in O shape. You have seen na tire of a car. It is in O shape. Bangle of your mother. It is in O shape. So let us start writing letter O. What we will do today? We will start write letter O. Okay, first what you have to do? First you have to trace. First you have to trace letter O. Okay, now make all of you. Take your fingers. Yes, make a circle. O. Make a circle. O. O for orange. O for octopus. O for oval shape. O for out. O for out. Okay. Now start writing from where? How you will write? Look here. So dots were given now. From one dot you have to go and join another dot. Okay. Look here. Two dots were given now. So make a circle and join. Like here, make a half dot, curve, make a half curve, then make another curve. Okay. Look here. Two dot given. First make a half curve, then full curve. Which letter will form? Letter O. Start writing letter O. Start writing letter O. Look here. From upper line, half curve, then from another half curve. Which letter is this? Letter O. Which letter is this? Letter O. O for orange. O for octopus. O for oval shape. Again, we will start writing. First make a half circle, then again make a half circle. Which letter is this? Letter O. With help of your parents, first you have to do tracing, and after that you have to start writing letter O. Which letter is this? Letter O. O for orange. O for orange color is also there. Orange fruit is there. O for octopus. Where does octopus live? Octopus live in water. O for oval shape. O for out. Okay. Start writing from upper line to base line. Then again up. Okay. In a circle, you have to write letter O. Again, O for orange, O for octopus, like this. Okay. From upper line to base line, a circle. Again, which letter is this? Letter O. First half circle, then half. Full curve. Okay, which letter will form? Letter O. O for orange. O for octopus. O for oval shape. O for out. Okay, which letter is this? O. Which letter is this? O. Now we will write from dot to dot. What we will do? Now we will write from dot to dot. Okay. How you will write from dot to dot? Look here. Dots were given on the upper line and on the base line. On the upper line and on the base line. Okay. Look here. From you have to start from upper dot. Make a half curve till dot. Then again make a half curve. Okay, which letter is this? O. Which letter is this? O. O for orange. O for octopus. O for oval shape. Okay. Again, we will start writing half curve and then half curve. Okay, which letter is this? Letter O. Which letter is this? Letter O. O for orange. O for octopus. O for oval shape. O for out. Again. Start writing half curve. Don't write out of the line. Then again half curve. Which letter is this? O. Which letter is this? O. O for octopus. O for orange. Again, look here all of you. Dots were given. Yes. So what we will do? First we will make half circle and then again half circle. From one dot to another dot half curve and again half curve. Which letter is this? letter O. Look here. Even when Gokul Das is written, where is O? Here. Here is O. Letter O. Now look here. Here. Letter O is there. Here also. Okay. Now look here. Where is letter O? This? Yes. This is letter O. Again. Half curve and half curve. Which letter is this? Letter O. O for orange. O for oswald. O for oval shape. O for out. Right here. Half curve and then half curve. Which letter is this? Letter O. So what you have to do? You have to write one full page in your notebook and you have to color also. What you have to do? You have to do color also. Okay? Yes. Again. Look here. Dots were given on the upper line and on the base line. Okay. There you have to write letter O. You have to start from upper line, from upper dot. Look here. Curve and half curve. Which letter is this? Letter O. Again make half curve and half curve. Which letter is this? Letter O. Which letter is this? Letter O. Again half curve and half curve. Which letter is this? O. O for orange. O for octopus. O for oval shape. O for out. O for out. Okay. After O, now we will learn to write letter. Which letter is this? Q. Which letter is this? Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. Q for Q. Q for Q. Q for question mark. Q for question mark. Q for quill. Q for quill. Q for quite. Q for quite. Q for quite. Okay. Q for queen. Q for queen. Q for Q. Q for Q. Q for question mark. Q for question mark. Q for queen. Q for question mark. Q for, yes, tell me, Q for quite. Q for quite. Q for quill. Q for quill. Okay. Now we will start to write letter Q. What we will do? We will start write letter Q. How we will write Q? First we have to make a circle. What? We have to make a circle and one small tail. One small tail of letter Q. What you have to do? First make a circle, then add down one small tail. Then add down one small tail. So which letter is this? Q. How you will write? First make a circle and then small tail. And then a small tail of Q. Okay? Okay. Now look here. In dot, first we will trace it. First what we will do? Trace it. Q for queen. Q for question mark. Q for Q. Q for quill. Q for quite. Okay. So we have to write. Now we will write letter Q. It is same as like O. First we have to make O, then small t. So it will become Q. Which letter is this? Q. Which letter is this? Q. How we will write Q? Look here. First we have to make a circle. What we have to make? A circle. And then one small tail. And then one small tail. So which letter is this? Q. Which letter is this? Q. Now again, one curve and one small tail. Which letter is this? Q. Q for queen. Q for quite. Q for question mark. Q for Q. Q for queen. Again, how you will write? Circle, then one tail. Q. First you have to trace. First you have to trace it, and after that you have to write. Okay. Again, circle, circle, and then small tail. Q. Which letter is this? Q. Which letter is this? Q. Q for queen. Q for question mark. Q for Q. Standing in line is called a Q. हम जो लाइन में खड़े होते हैं उसे Q बोलते हैं. Okay. Then Q for yes, quite, question mark. Again we will write, we'll make a circle, and then one small tail, and then one small tail. First tell your mama to put the dots, and after that you trace the dot. Okay. Again make a circle and then one small tail. Which letter is this? Q. Which letter is this? Q. This is O. Without tail is O. And with tail is Q. With tail is Q. Okay. Again, circle and small tail. Look here, dots. Look here, dots were given, two dots were given, and one dot is given here. Okay, like this, two dots were given, and one dot is given in slanting line. So first you have to make a circle, then join this both the dot. Which letter will form? Letter Q. Okay, look here, all of you look here at the board. Dot were given like this. So first you have to make a circle, then join the dot. So which letter will form? Letter Q. Which letter will form? Letter Q. Now look here at the board. Now look here at the board. One dot is here and one dot is here. One dot is given here and one dot is given here. Okay, so first make a circle, then join both the dot. Which letter will form? Q. Which letter will form Q? Again, look here. Again, look here. First, what you have to do? Make a circle. Okay, then you have to join both this dot. So, which letter will form? Q. Q for Queen. Q for Q. Q for question mark. Again, we will write. Look here, dots were given, okay, like this. Again, I will show you. I will put big dots so that you can see properly. Okay. Are you able to see them properly? Yes. So, now look here. First, what you have to do? You have to make a circle. And then one slanting line like this. Okay, so which letter will form? Q. Which letter will form? Q. Again, circle, then join the dot. Which letter will form? Q. Q for Queen. Q for Q. Q for question mark. Again, circle and join both the dot. So which letter will form? Q. Which letter will form? Q. Q for Queen. Q for question mark. Q for quite. Q for Q. Q for Q. Okay. So one page O and one page Q. You have to do in your English notebook, where you have to do in your English notebook. Okay, before ending our lecture, once we will revise the rhyme. Okay. Yankee Doodles. First we will start with Yankee Doodles. Yankee Doodles went to his town. Yes, after that, you remember. Yankee Doodle went to town, riding on a pony. A feather stuck on his head, a feather stuck on his head, and he called macaroni. And he called macaroni. Now, next rhyme, Humpty Dumpty. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king horses, all the king men could not put Humpty together again. Yes, clap all of you, my dear, sweet. Okay, so what work you have to do today? You have to complete this work in your English notebook. And in activity, what you have to do? You have to make a circle. You have to make a orange, and you have to put a orange color. What you have to do? You have to put a orange color. And in Q, what you have to do? You have to make a circle and one tail of Q and one crown. Put a crown on it. Okay. Put a crown on it. Queen. It will be a queen. Okay. And color it. So, complete your work at your home. Till then, bye and have a nice day.